multiplication rule in integration is known as integration by parts. पहला तो formula introduce करो. Let's say we have integration of product of two functions. First one u and second one is v. Then we can simplify this as first term as it is integration of second term minus integration of product of differentiation of first term and integration of second term. Okay, this is your formula, simple one. Okay, હવે આના પરથી એક simplest question કરીએ પહેલા, પછી હું તમને આની limitation બી સમજાવીશ. See, this is your simplest question. મેં હજુ એક વસ્તુ skip કરી છે, હમણાં થોડી વારમાં તમને ખબર પડશે. In this question we have to integrate x into sin x dot dx. Okay, according to order, first term is considered as u and second term is considered as v. બરોબર, એક સ્ટેપ મેં સ્કીપ કર્યો છે જેમાં તમારે u અને v પ્રોપરલી સિલેક્ટ કરવું પડે, બટ આપણે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ કરીએ છીએ. So let's apply the formula. So according to formula, in first term, ચલો first term માં u as it is, we will focus on integration of second term minus integration of differentiation of first term and integration of second term dot dx. Okay, so in first term x as it is integration of sin x minus cos x minus differentiation of x 1 integration of sin x minus cos x dot dx. Okay, so here we'll get minus x cos x, minus minus become plus, integration of cos x dot dx, which is sin x plus c. Now compare with the given right hand side, which is minus x cos x plus a. So we will get a as sin x plus cos x, which is given in option A. Ta-da! Easy peasy. કોઈ તકલીફ આમાં? Okay. But in case આપણે ભગવાનની દયા ના હોય અને ક્વેશ્ચન આવું પૂછ્યું હોય, sin x into x dot dx, તો આપણે તો ભોળા માણસો. First term is considered as u and second term will be considered as v. Let's try to apply the formula. In first term, sin x is as it is, we will integrate x minus integration of differentiation of sin x integration of x. मैं फॉर्मूला साथी अप्लाई करी, कोई तकलीफ आमा? Okay, so your answer will be sin x integration of x will be x square by 2 minus integration of differentiation of sin x cos x and integration of x x square by 2 dot dx. No problem શું આવી? આ સેકન્ડ ટર્મમાં ફરીથી મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન રૂલ લગાવવો પડશે. ઠીક છે, તો સર એ તો ખતમ જ નહીં થાય. પહેલી વાર લગાવ્યો તો 1 પાવરનો 2 થઈ ગયો, બીજી વાર લગાવશો તો 2 નો શું થઈ જશે? મતલબ આ ક્વેશ્ચન સોલ્વ જ નહીં થાય, નેવર એન્ડિંગ ક્વેશ્ચન કહી શકાય, રાઈટ? બટ એઝ યુ કેન સી આપણે ઓલરેડી આન્સર લાઈન બેઠા છીએ. તો બંનેમાં ડિફરન્સ શું હતો? u અને v નું સિલેક્શન, રાઈટ? This is wrong method. તો આ રૂલ જેટલો સીધો દેખાય જેટલો છે નહીં. આજ સુધી આપણે છે ને ક્યારેય સિક્વન્સ પર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ આપ્યું જ નહીં. મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન રૂલ હોય તો આપણે ગમે તેનું ડિફરન્શિએશન પહેલા લઈ લેતા હતા. બટ ઇન ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન સિલેક્શન ઓફ u and v is most important step. જો ઊંધો સિક્વન્સ લઈ લો તો આન્સર શું આવે? ખોટો, કે આવે બી નહીં, રાઈટ? તો તમને લોકોને કઈ રીતે ખબર પડે સાચી સિક્વન્સ શું છે, રાઈટ? તો u અને v ના સિલેક્શન માટે થોડી થોટ પ્રોસેસ છે, એ વધારે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. થોડી થિયરી સમજો. સી, before we start applying formula, we have to select proper u and v, first function and second function. તમે નોટિસ કરો, સેકન્ડ ફંક્શન મીન્સ v જોડે ઓલવેઝ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન થાય છે, રાઈટ? તો v એવું ફંક્શન સિલેક્ટ કરવાનું જેનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન હોય. તમે કહેશો સર ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન તો બધાનું હોય જ ને, એવું જરૂરી નહીં. એક સિમ્પલ એક ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછું, log x નું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન 1/x ના થાય, એ એનું ડિફરન્શિએશન. log x ના ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન હજુ સુધી મેં સમજાવ્યું જ નહીં. ઓકે, sin ઇન્વર્સ x નું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન નહીં ખબર અત્યાર સુધી, રાઈટ? તો ધીઝ આર ધી નોન ઇન્ટિગ્રેબલ ટર્મ, એટલે ડાયરેક્ટ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશનની ફોર્મ્યુલા અવેલેબલ નથી ઇન્વર્સ ટ્રીગો એન્ડ લોગેરિધમમાં. ઓકે, હા, મેથડ છે આજના લેક્ચરમાં આપણે કરીશું, બટ રાઈટ નાઉ એ થોડા કોમ્પ્લિકેટેડ ફંક્શન્સ છે, તો અવોઇડ કરવાનું log અને ઇન્વર્સ ફંક્શન્સને v સિલેક્ટ કરવાનું. તો ઓલવેઝ સિલેક્ટ એઝ u. ડન. સેકન્ડ થિંગ, તમે નોટિસ કરો x જે છે એનું ડિફરન્શિએશન કરો ને તો એનો પાવર રિડ્યુસ થતો જાય. x ઇઝ ઇન્ટિગ્રેબલ એઝ વેલ એઝ ડિફરન્શિયેબલ, રાઈટ? બંનેમાં કોઈ તકલીફ છે, પણ ડિફરન્શિએશન કરશો તો પાવર શું થતો જશે? રિડ્યુસ. તો એવા ફંક્શનને u સિલેક્ટ કરવાનું કે જે ડિફરન્શિએશનથી રિડ્યુસ થતો જાય. સાઇન કોસમાં સ્કીમ પડી જાય, સાઇનનું ડિફરન્શિએશન કોસનું મતલબ સાઇન કોસમાં જ રમતું રહેશે, રાઈટ? તો આ બધા લોજિક્સને યાદ રાખવાનું. v કેવા ફંક્શન સિલેક્ટ કરવું જેનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન થતું હોય, અને u જે બચ્યું હોય. કરેક્ટ? એટલે સર આટલું બધું વિચારવાનું, બીજી કોઈ શોર્ટકટ મેથડ નહીં? તો જો શોર્ટકટ મેથડ છે. ઓકે, બહુ બધા સાયન્ટિસ્ટોએ વર્ષો સુધી વિચારી આ સિક્વન્સ જનરેટ કરી. ધીસ ઇઝ ધી સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ સિક્વન્સ. આઈલેટ, અમુક ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં લીએટ બી લખ્યું છે, બટ કોઈ ફરક નહીં પડતો. I stands for inverse trigo, like sin inverse, cos inverse, right? Inverse functions. Okay. L stands for logarithmic term, log x plus 1, log x square plus 1, and so on. A stands for algebra. અમુક ટીચર્સ આના x બી કહે છે because it is terms of x square, x plus 2, and so on. Okay, x raised to n. T stands for trigo. આપણે બધાને ખબર છે sin x, cos x, tan x, બહુ મોટું ફેમિલી છે. And E stands for exponential. E raised to x, 2 raised to x, a raised to x. આ બધા આપણને નડતા હોય. Done? રાઈટ સાઈડ થી ફંક્શન સિલેક્ટ કરવાનું. જે ફંક્શન પહેલા આવે that will be your u. Like in this case, x is algebra and sin x is trigonometry. So as you can see, algebra come first, then trigonometry. So algebra should be selected as u. Correct? વધારે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી છે તો વધારે આઈડિયા આવશે. See, this is your question. We have to integrate log x upon x square. Basically, it can be rewritten as integration of x raised to minus 2 into log x dot dx. Now, our first step, identify the type of function. Log x is logarithmic function and x raised to minus 2 is algebraic function. So, which function come first? Bolo? Log. So we will select log x as u and x raised to minus 2 will be. Now apply the formula. In first term, your u is as it is. We have to integrate v, which is x raised to minus 2. And integration so that's it. X raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 minus integration of differentiation of u. Differentiation of log x will be 1 by x and integration of v. So that will be x raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 dot dx. Now simplify. In first term, log x upon x negative. and minus minus become plus. Integration of x raised to minus 2 dot dx. So this will become minus log x upon x plus x raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. Or we can rewrite second term as minus 1 upon x. So tada! This is your final answer. Property can I? Easy peasy. First step identify करो. Second UV select करो. Apply करो. Problem क्या આવશે? જ્યારે second term નું integration થોડું complicated હશે. Our next question is integration of x sin 2x. Here, बोल तो first step identify the function. X is algebraic term and sin 2x is trigonometric term. So which term first? Algebra come first. So that will be selected as u. And sin 2x will be selected as v. Now apply the formula. In first term, x as it is integration of sin 2x, which is minus cos 2x upon coefficient of x, minus integration of product of differentiation of x, and which is 1, and integration of v, which is minus cos 2x upon 2. Next step, simplify. Here we'll get minus x cos 2x by 2, and second term નું બોલો, minus minus become plus. 1 નું integration ના થાય. જો આ મિસ્ટેક થાય જ છે નોર્મલી કે x નું 1 નું integration x કરો તો cos 2x નું integration કરી નાખો. બટ પ્રોડક્ટમાં છે એનીથિંગ વન્સ આર એનીથિંગ. અને આમ બી મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનમાં હોય તો ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન આપણે એપ્લાય ના કરી શકીએ, સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરવું પડે. તો આના માટે મારી એક નાનકડી સલાહ છે. જ્યારે બી ડિફરન્શિએશન ઓફ x 1 થતું હોય ને લખવાનું જ નહીં. લખ્યું હોય તો ભૂલ થાય. ઓકે ચલો. So 1 by 2 is constant, take it outside. Integration of cos 2x sin 2x by 2 plus c. So tada, this is your answer. Here we have to integrate x log x. First step is identify the function, algebra and logarithmic. So log x come first, so it will be selected as u and x will be v. તમે નોટિસ કરી જો અહીંયા x ના બિચારા u માં નાખી દીધો તો અહીંયા x ને v માં નાખી દીધો તો x તો ડબલ ઢોલકી છે, અમુક વાર આમ ને અમુક વાર આમ જતું રહે. ઓકે apply the formula. બોલો. In first term, u as it is integration of x, which is x square by 2 minus integration of product of differentiation of u, which is 1 by x, and integration of v, so that will be x square by 2. Okay, so in first term log x upon log x into x square by 2 will be as it is. In second term 1 by 2 is constant, take it outside. Integration of x, x cut થઈ જાય, integration of x only. So first term will be as it is. આ તો રિટાયર જ થઈ ગયા દરેક જગ્યાએ. ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ તો બિચારા કઈ અડવાનું જ નહીં. Integration of x will be x square by 2 plus c. Is your final answer, which is given in B. Ta-da! Question number 6 જેવો question. integration of x cube into log x. Akshat, bolo. Logarithmic term and algebraic term. So log x come first, so it will be selected as u, and x cube will be v. Now apply the formula u as it is into integration of x cube, that will be x raised to 4 by 4 minus integration of differentiation of log x, which is 1 by x, and integration of v, which is x raised to 4 by 4 dot dx. So now your first term will be as it is. In second term, 1 by 4 is constant, take it outside. 1 power of x will cancel out, so we just have to integrate x cube. So let's rewrite your first term as it is. Then in second term, integration of x cube will be x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. So ta-da! This is your answer. So question number 12 is our textbook now. Here we have to integrate x sec square x. बोलो बेटा, identify the function. X is कई type में है? Algebraic, and sec square x is trigonometric. So which come first? Algebra come first. So आमથી જાઓ તો algebra પહેલા આવે ને trigonometric હતા. So algebra will be selected as u and trigonometric term will be selected as v. Now apply the formula. बोलो. U as it is integration of v, which is sec square x, so that will be 10x minus integration of differentiation of u. Differentiation of x will be 1, લખતા નહીં આપણે, ભૂલ પડે એટલે, and integration of v, which is 10x dot dx. Now your first term will be as it is, and integration of 10x is log mod sec x plus c. ऑप्शन में नहीं आवे, बट एक वस्तु समझो, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ log लगाओ तो माइनस पावर ऊपर जतो रहे, that means we have to reciprocate sec. So here we will get x 10x plus log reciprocal of sec is cos x plus c. હવે બોલો, option B is your answer. Ta-da! કે નહીં, એમસીક્યુ માં આવું થાય, આપણે પેલો સ્ટેપમાં આન્સર લખી નાખીએ, બટ ઓપ્શન જ ના આપે, તો સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરવું પડે. ઓકે, આ એક એક્સ્ટ્રા કરી લઈએ. ઓકે, here we have to integrate x cos x square x, algebraic term and trigonometric term. So x will be u and will be v. Then apply the formula. In first term, u as it is integration of cos x square x, which is minus cot x. Then minus integration of product of differentiation of x, which is 1, ये नहीं लगता, and integration of v, which is again minus cot x. So your first term will be minus x cot x, and in second term minus minus become plus. Integration of cot x is log mod sin x plus c. So ta-da! This is your answer. Question number 5. We have to integrate x log 2x dot dx. X is algebraic term and log x is logarithmic term. So log 2x will be considered as u and x will be considered as v. We are ready to apply the formula. Your I will become, say, in first term, u as it is, integration of v. That will be x square by 2. And in second term, we have to integrate product of differentiation of u, log 2x no differentiation, 1 upon 2x into 2, and integration of v, or we can say integration of x, that will be x square by 2 dot dx. Now your first term will be remain as it is. In second term, this 2 will cancel out, 1 power of x will also cancel out, minus 1 by 2 is constant, take it outside, just integrate x dot dx, which is nothing but x square by 2 plus c. Is your answer. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Okay, now chalo. Next type for GA. In this question, we have to integrate x e raised to x dot dx. X is algebraic term and e raised to x is exponential term. कभी पहला आवश्यक? Yes. Algebra will come first. So that will be considered as u. And e raised to x will be v. Now, apply the formula. So in first term, u as it is, integration of v, that will be e raised to x, minus integration of differentiation of u, that will be 1, and integration of e raised to x, that will be e raised to x dot dx. Now your first term will be as it is, and in second term, integration of e raised to x, which is e raised to x plus c. To get final answer, we have to take e raised to x common, so we'll get x minus 1 plus c. Option B is your answer. Ta-da! Easy peasy. See, our next question is lookalike question, integration of x square e raised to minus x. બંનેમાં ફરક ખાલી x ના પાવર નો છે. x નો 1 પાવર હતો અને 2 પાવર છે, e raised to minus x છે. But your steps will be same. First, x square, that is algebraic term, and second one is exponential term. So x square will be selected as u and e raised to x minus x will be selected as v. So we are ready to apply the formula. In first term, x square as it is, integration of e raised to minus x dot dx, e raised to minus x upon minus x નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ ડિવાઇડ કરવાનું ભૂલવાનું નહીં. Integration of differentiation of x square, that will be 2x, and integration of e raised to minus x, again e raised to minus x by minus 1 dot dx, right? So एक वक्त formula apply कर दीजिए. So here we will get minus x square e raised to minus x. And what about second term? Minus minus become plus. Okay? 2x નો integration ના થાય. See, again here we have two functions in multiplication. One more time, we have to apply multiplication rule. This time 2x will be your u and e raised to minus x will be v. Okay? So once again, this time 2x as it is, integration of e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x upon minus 1, minus integration of differentiation of 2x, 2, and e raised to minus x upon minus 1 dot dx. So in further simplification, we'll get minus x square e raised to minus x, then minus 2x e raised to minus x plus 2 e raised to minus x integration, e raised to minus x upon minus 1 plus c, or we can say your last term will become minus 2 e raised to minus x plus c. So, ta-da! This is your final answer. So sometimes we have to apply integration by parts more than one time. It is depend on power of algebraic term. Okay? હવે તમે લોકો તો જયરાજ સરના સ્ટુડન્ટ છો, આટલી બધી મહેનત કરશો નહીં. So let me give you one shortcut. But a shortcut x raised to n into f of x માટે possible છે, where f of x can be e raised to x, sin or cos. Okay? E raised to એટલે exponential term. Let's say we have to integrate x square into e raised to minus x. Then પહેલા x square ના પકડો. X square as it is term for integration. Then sign change minus differentiation of x square, which is 2x, bracket for integration. Sign change plus 2. Differentiation of 2x, 2, bracket for integration. And finally, differentiation for 2, 0. 0 આવી ગયો મતલબ આગળ જવાની જરૂર છે, ગમે તે જેવા ડિફરન્શિએશન કરશો 0 જ આવશે. પ્લસ c. હવે ગ્રીન બ્રેકેટ ફરવાનું, ડાયરેક્ટલી ઇન્ટિગ્રેટ e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x upon minus 1. આખા બ્રેકેટનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવાનું, e raised to minus x upon minus 1 square. એક minus 1 હતો, બીજો minus 1 આવ્યો. Again આ જ બ્રેકેટનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવાનું, e raised to minus x upon minus 1 cube. So this will give us x square minus x square e raised to minus x, then minus 2x e raised to minus x, and minus 2 e raised to minus x plus c, which is exactly same as previous answer. પહેલા એક જ સ્ટેપમાં સરાખશું. ઓકે, ચલો હજી એક એક્સ્ટ્રા સ્ટેપ કરી દઈએ. This is your question. Integration of 2x square plus 1 into sin 3x. That means first one is algebraic term and second one is trigonometric term. Let's apply Jayaraj sir special. First term your 2x square plus 1 will be as it is, bracket for integration. Then sign change, differentiation of 2x square plus 1 will be 4x, bracket for integration. Again sign change, differentiation of 4x, 4, bracket for integration. And finally differentiation of 4 will be 0. So plus c મૂકી દઈએ. Okay. હવે sin 3x ના પકડો. Integration of sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3. હવે minus cos 3x by 3 નું integration કરવાનું. Minus sin 3x by 3 square. એક 3 હતો, બીજી વાર integration કરો એટલે બીજો 3 આવે. આ જ બ્રેકેટનું ફરીથી integration કરો. Cos 3x by 3 cube. So finally we will get 2x square plus 1 minus cos 3x by 3. Then minus minus become plus. 4x by 9 sine 3x, and here we'll get plus 4 by 27 cos 3x plus c. Ta-da! First technique, but I MCQ માં જ use થાય. તો આ વસ્તુ યાદ રાખજો કે sometimes we have to apply integration by parts more than one time. It is depend on power of x. जो lookalike question છે but concept अलग છે. See, here we have to integrate x raised to 5 into e raised to x square. આપણને હમણાં ગરમ ગરમ આવડ્યું છે. X raised to 5 will be algebraic term and e raised to x square will be exponential term. Formula लगाई दीजिए, ठीक है, नहीं था. એનું reason કર. E raised to x square is your inner function. So before we apply the formula, we have to assume x square is equal to t. Differentiate both the sides, we'll get 2x dx is equal to dt. Hello? Let's rewrite the question. X raised to 5 can be split into x raised to 4, which is square of x square, e raised to x square into x dot dx. Hello? So first term will become t square, second term will be e raised to t, and x dx will become dt by 2. So 1 by 2 is constant, take it outside, apply the formula. T square into bracket minus differentiation of t square 2t and bracket plus differentiation of 2t 2, and finally differentiation of 2 will be 0. So plus c place kar diye. Now e raised to t no integration, e raised to t, integration of bracket e raised to t and same e raised to t. Right? To get final answer, substitute the value of t. So here we'll get x raised to 4 by 2 e raised to x square minus x square e raised to x square plus e raised to x square plus c is your answer, which is given in option A. Ta-da! ચાલો a ને c માં ખાલી આ પ્લસ માઇનસ નો જ ફરક છે, મિસ્ટેક થઈ જાય, ધ્યાન રાખજો. સો આ અઝમ્પશન વાળી મેથડ છે જે આનાથી અલગ છે. ઓકે, ध्यान રાખજો. Integration of root x into e raised to root x. Your root x is your inner function, so assume as t. Problem એ છે કે root x નું differentiation available નહીં. મેં આ ટાઈપમાં કીધું હતું કે જ્યારે બી differentiation available ના હોય તો x નો સબ્જેક્ટિવ બનાવી દેવાનો. So here we'll get x is equal to t square. Differentiate both the sides, we will get 2x dx as your dt. Right? So let's change our variable. Integration of root x will become e. E raised to root x will become e raised to t. Sorry. હા, એક થોડું ખોટું લખાઈ ગયું માંથી, right? dx will be 2t dt આવે. So here we'll get 2t dt. Done. So this will be integration of 2t square into e raised to t dot dt. Right? Apply the formula. Shortcut method the 2t square and e raised to t. First of all, 2t square bracket for integration minus differentiation of 2t square 4t bracket for integration plus differentiation of 4t 4 bracket for integration and પછી છેલ્લે plus c. Okay. Now we have to integrate e raised to t, effectively e raised to t, again integrate e raised to t and e raised to t. Right? To get final answer, we have to take e raised to t common. So remaining terms are 2t square minus 4t plus 4 plus c. Substitute the value of t, we will get e raised to root x, 2 root x square, or we can say 2x minus 4 root x plus 4 plus c. See our option? B is your answer. Ta-da! Now let's go for next topic. જે log x આપણને છે ને multiplication માં આપે તો problem નથી. But sometimes single logarithmic term or single inverse trigonometry આપ્યો હોય જેનું direct integration available છે નહીં. So for that we have to consider this as function into 1. Okay? કરીને બતાવો એટલે તમને વધારે idea આવે. Your easiest question. We have to integrate log x. Genuinely આમાં કોઈ ફંક્શન મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં છે જ નહીં. સિમ્પલ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન ઓફ log x 1 by x ના થાય, ડિફરન્શિએશન થાય. લેક્ચરના સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં બી કીધું હતું મેં. આનો ડાયરેક્ટ ફોર્મ્યુલા અવેલેબલ છે નહીં. સો આપણો કેસ બન્યો સિંગલ લોગેરિધમિક ટર્મ કે સિંગલ ઇન્વર્સ ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી. So consider this as log x into 1. Your next step, consider that function as u and 1 as v and apply integration by parts. So we will get log x into integration of 1 dot dx, that will be x, minus integration of differentiation of u, which is log x. So that will give us 1 by x and integration of v. So that will be x dot dx. So here first term will be as it is, and in second term your xx will be cancelled out. Integration of 1 again will be x plus c. So option B is your answer. Ta-da! Here we have to integrate log x the whole square. Again single logarithmic function. So what we have to do? Into 1. Okay. So here we'll get log x the whole square into 1. Consider log x the whole square as u and 1 as v. And apply the formula. In first term, your u is as it is, integration of v, which is x, minus integration of differentiation of u. શું થશે? Basically here શું મળશે? Box square. So its differentiation will be 2 box into differentiation of box, and integration of v, that will be x dot dx, right? So now on, your first term will be as it is. In second term, xx will cancel out. We will get 2 times integration of log x. Again log x into 1. Log x is considered as u and 1 considered as v. Apply the integration by parts. So first term still remain as it is. Here we'll get log x into integration of 1, that will be x, minus integration of differentiation of log x and integration of 1, that will be x dot dx. So open the bracket, we will get minus 2x log x plus 2xx, third integration of 1 will be x cos c. So ta-da! This is your answer. झाला? Integration of log 1 plus x square. See, integration of log 1 plus x square into 1 dot dx. Log 1 plus x square consider as u and 1 will be considered as v. Now apply the formula. So I will be in first term u as it is, integration of 1, that will be x, minus integration of differentiation of log 1 plus x. That means log box. Yes, 1 upon box into differentiation of box. And integration of v is x. Now, your first term will be as it is. In second term, we will get integration of 2x square upon x square plus 1 dot dx. 2 is constant, take it outside. Now we have integration of polynomial upon polynomial. Highest power of numerator is 2, same as denominator. તો આપણે જે બહુ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે, લોંગ ડિવિઝન, નીચે વાળો ટર્મ ઉપર લાવવાનો, એ ઈઝી પડશે, રાઈટ? ડિનોમિનેટરમાં +1 છે, so let's add and remove and give individual denominator. So first term still remain as it is. In x square plus 1 will be cancelled out, integration of 1 will be x minus 1 upon x square plus 1 integration tan inverse x was c. So ta-da! This is your final answer. Next topic, integration of inverse trigo function. મેં જેમ કીધું, inverse trigo મતલબ સાપ ગમે ત્યારે ડસી જાય, તો પ્રિફરેબલ છે પહેલા એના પૂછ લો. By assuming inverse trigo equal to t. That's it. આ પહેલું જ કામ કરી દેવાનું, પછી બધું જોઈ જશે. ઓકે, એક ક્વેશ્ચન કરીને બતાવો. Simplest question. Integration of sin inverse x. Inverse function. Directly integration available છે એને, right? So into 1 કરીને બી કરી શકો છો. But મને personally inverse trigo વાળા terms નહીં ગમતા. So I always prefer inverse trigo term is equal to t, where t is belongs to 0 to pi by 2. જો આ વસ્તુના માર્ક્સ કટ થાય છે જ્યારે થિયરી એક્ઝામ હોય ત્યારે, MCQ માં ચાલ. Okay, now problem is differentiation available nahi, no problem, make x subjective, so we'll get x equal to sin t. Differentiate both the side, we will get dx is equal to cos t dot dt, right? So let's change our variable. Integration of sin inverse x will become t and dx will become cos t dt, right? So simple question થઈ ગયો. Product of algebra and trigonometry. So algebra come first, we'll select as u and cos t will be your v. Apply the formula. So in first term, u as it is, integration of v, that will be sin t, minus integration of differentiation of t, which is 1, and integration of v, that will be again sin t. So here your first term will be as it is. In second term, integration of sin t will be minus cos t. So this will become plus cos t plus c. હવે problem, this is not your answer. જ્યારે બી trigonometric assumption કર્યું ને એટલે આ વસ્તુ આવે. We already assume sine t as x can be rewrite as x by 1. So we have to use right angle triangle and consider this angle as theta. What is your sine theta? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So x upon 1. So adjacent will be under root of 1 minus x square, which will be helpful to get value of cos t. Under root of 1 minus x square by 1. Substitute all these values in your answer. So we will get I is equal to, instead of t, sine inverse x, instead of sine t, x, plus instead of cos t, under root of 1 minus x square, plus c is your answer, which is given in t. Ta-da! જે લોકોને યુનિવર્સિટી પછી ડર લાગતો હોય આ સમમાં પ્રોબ્લેમ થઈ શકે. I1 is equal to sine inverse x and I2 is equal to sine inverse under root of 1 minus x square. Basically, I2 is nothing but integration of cos inverse x. Now, if we take summation of I1 and I2, we will get integration of sine inverse x plus cos inverse x, which is pi by 2, and pi by 2 is constant, so your answer is pi x by 2 plus c. C is your answer. Ta-da! Here we have integration of sine inverse x upon 1 minus x square raised to 3 by 2. થોડું ધ્યાનથી જોશો so it can be rewrite as sine inverse x 1 upon 1 minus x square raised to 3 by 2. मतलब 1 power and half power dot dx. Okay? તમે કહે સર આવું સેપરેટ કેમ કર્યું? રીઝન સિમ્પલ છે, એનું ડિફરન્શિએશન સેટ થઈ જાય એટલે આવું સેપરેટ ના કરો તો I don't mind. Automatically adjust થઈ જશે. Our first step is inverse t term is equal to t, where t belongs to 0 to pi by 2. If we differentiate this function, we'll get 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square dot dx as dt, and x will be sine t. So, substitute all these values in your integration. So your I will become integration of sine inverse x will become t, 1 upon 1 minus sine square t, and this whole term will become dt. Now 1 minus sine square t, cos square t, and reciprocal of cos is, so here we'll get sec square t dot dt. We have product of algebra and trigonometry. Algebraic term will be considered as u and trigonometric term will be considered as v. Apply the formula. So I will be u as it is integration of sec square t, which is tan t, minus integration of differentiation of t will be 1, and integration of sec square t will be tan t. Now your first term will be as it is integration of tan t is log mod sec t plus c. Trigonometric assumption લીધું છે. So we have to use your assumption sin t is equal to x by 1. Draw right angle triangle. This angle is t. Now sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So x and 1, adjacent will be 1 minus x square. Now what we need? We need tan t. So tan t is nothing but opposite upon adjacent. So we can say x upon under root of 1 minus x square. And we also need sec t. So sec t can be defined as hypotenuse upon adjacent. So we get 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Or we can say 1 minus x square is to minus 1 by 2 power. Right? Substitute all the values in your answer. So I will become, instead of t, sine inverse x. Tan t is x upon under root of 1 minus x square and minus log mode sec t is 1 minus x square raised to minus 1 by 2 plus c. So here we will get x sine inverse x upon under root of 1 minus x square and apply the property of log minus 1 by 2. So just say product में so we'll get plus 1 by 2 log mode 1 minus x square plus c is your final answer, which is given in A. Ta-da! This is the special question. See, we have to integrate x sin x and sec cube x. जैसे चीटिंग करोगे બે ટર્મ હતા ત્રણ ક્યાંથી કરી નાખ્યા આમાં તો એવું બી નહીં કે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન રૂલ ચલાવી દઈએ નહીં પોસિબલ રાઈટ તો કોઈક વખતે છે ને એકથી વધારે ટર્મનું ગ્રુપ બનાવી તમે એને u કે v બી લઈ શકો લાઈક x as it is see sin x sec cube x trigo trigo છે sec is actually reciprocal of cos so this can be considered as tan x sec square x. Okay, we can integrate tan x and sec square x. Sum start करिए पहला हम कर दो integration of tan x into sec square x is possible using fx into f dash x. That will be fx નો એક પાવર વધારે દેવાનો so fx square by 2 plus c. So here we'll get tan square x by 2 plus c. So we are going to use this formula to integrate tan x x square x. So we have to consider tan x x square x whole term as b and x will be your u. Okay, so let's apply the formula. In first term, u as it is integration of tan x sec square x. So that will be tan square x by 2 minus integration of differentiation of x, that will be 1, and integration of this term, so that will be tan square x by 2 dot dx. So first term will be as it is. In second term, we don't have to worry about this 1 by 2. We have to split tan square x in terms of sec square x minus 1. યાદ છે ને આના ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન માં આવું કરતા હતા આપણે. So again, first term still remain as it is. In second term, we will get minus 1 by 2. Integration of sec square x will be tan x. Integration of 1 will be x. So that will become plus x by 2 plus c. To get final answer, we can take 1 by 2 common. So we get x tan square x minus tan x plus x plus c. Option मत नहीं. Yes. See, from these two terms, we can take x common. So we'll get 10 square x plus 1 minus 10x will be as it is. And this 10 square x plus 1 is nothing but 6 square x. Option B is your answer. Ta-da! Same concept for this next question. मतलब અત્યાર સુધી આપણે ઇન્વર્સ ફિગર આ કર્યું ને એના ઉપરથી બંનેનું કોમ્બિનેશન વાળો ક્વેશ્ચન છે. Integration of x tan inverse x. We all know inverse ફિગર વાળો ટર્મ જુઓ એટલે સૌથી પહેલો વિચાર શું રાખવાનો? Assume tan inverse x as t. Now the problem is we don't have its differentiation. Yes. So we have to make x subjective. We'll get tan t. Differentiate both the sides. We'll get dx equal to 6 square t dot dt. Okay. So we are ready to change our variable. Integration of, instead of x, we have to place tan t. Then instead of tan inverse x, we have to place t. And instead of dx, we have to place 6 square t dot dt. Same question, right? So here t will be as it is, tan t into 6 square t dot dt, which is same as this one, right? Chalo, follow the same steps. T as it is, integration of v will be tan square t minus integration of, differentiation of t will be 1 and integration of v will be 20 by 2, tan square t by 2 dot dt. Now your first term will be as it is. In second term, we don't have to worry about this. 1 by 2 tan square t is converted into 6 square t minus 1. So its integration will be tan t minus t plus c. Okay. Now, આપણે assume શું કરીશું? tan x equal to t. Trigonometric triangle નો use કરવો પડે, but જરૂરત નહીં. All terms are in tan or t. તો આપણે direct value place કરી શકીએ છીએ. So here we will get t is tan inverse x. Tan square t will be x square by 2. Chalo. In second term, 1 by 2 as it is. Tan t will be x and minus minus become plus. 1 by 2, t will be tan inverse x plus c. Now to get final answer, we have to take tan inverse t common from these two terms. So remaining terms are x square by 2 and 1 by 2 minus x by 2 plus c is as it is. 1 by 2 common, so we'll get x square plus 1. Option A is your answer. Ta-da! Question number 7. Integration of x sine inverse x. First assumption, yes, sine inverse x is equal to t. That will give us x equal to sine t. Differentiate both the sides, we get dx equal to cos t dt. જ્યારે બી inverse figure equal to t લો ને, so always write down t belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So let's change our variable. instead of x, we have to place sin t. Instead of sin inverse x, t. And instead of dx, cos t dt. જો આનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન બે રીતે પોસિબલ, હાફ મલ્ટીપ્લાય એન્ડ ડિવાઇડ કરો, sin 2t માં કન્વર્ટ કરો, or integrate sin t dot cos t using f of t into f dash t. sin t નું ડિફરન્શિએશન cos t અવેલેબલ છે, cos t છુપાઈ દો, integration of sin t, t square by 2 plus c. Okay, so we can say your t will be your u and sin t cos t will be your v. Now apply the formula. U as it is, integration of sin t cos t will be sin square t by 2 minus integration of, હવે કોનું ડિફરન્શિએશન કરીશું, t નું, that will be 1 જે આપણે લખતા નહીં, and integration of v will be sin square t by 2 dot dt. First term will be as it is. In second term, 1 by 2 is outside. Sin square t નું integration કરવું હોય, so it should be converted into 1 minus cos double the angle by 2. Okay, so again first term will be as it is. This 1 by 2 will become 1 by 4. Integration of 1 math t minus integration of cos 2t sin 2t by 2 plus c. Now we have to convert into x. So problem है ना sin 2t માટે. We are assuming sin t as x. Sin 2t માટે આપણે simplify કરવું પડશે, right? Yes. We already know that sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t, right? Means we have to find out cos t. Chalo, sin t is x by 1. Use right angle triangle. X by 1, so this will be under root of 1 minus x square. That will give us cos t as under root of 1 minus x square. And here the substitute karo. So we are ready to get our answer. Instead of t, we have to place sin inverse x. Sin square t na badle x square by 2. In second term, 1 by 4. Instead of t again, sin inverse x. And in second term, sin 2t is nothing but 2 sin t, which is x, and cos t, which is under root of 1 minus x square. Plus c. This 2 will cancel out and you will get your final answer. Ta-da! Done? फटाफट लखी नाखो चलो.